welcome to the virtual visit weekend 2021. Today we're going to show you the lab spaces as well as the PhD offices. So these are basically spread out between the Mud building and the Northwest Corner building, which are nearby, and the medical campus, which is on 168th Street. So right now we can go to the 8th floor of the Mud building, which houses the chemical engineering department offices, followed by the 3rd and 10th floors, which have the labs and the graduate student offices. So now we are on the 8th floor of Mud, wherein we have our department of chemical engineering and hopefully yours too in the future. So let's go to the main office of the Department of Chemical Engineering. So this is the main reception area, and most of the profs' offices are located here. And on a fun note, we usually have the monthly Chego breakfasts here, pre-COVID, with coffee and bagels, attended by both the faculty and students. And hopefully we'll be able to have it in person again next semester. And we also do happy hours, which of course now are virtual. So now we are on the 3rd floor of Mud, which is the engineering terrace. And I'm going to walk you through some of the lab spaces here and the student offices. So here we have the shared lab space for the Kumar, Bishop, and Gang labs. And further down the hall, we also have the Banda lab. So hi guys, again, we are on the 10th floor of Mud, which houses Columbia's famous Electrochemical Energy Center, or SEEC for short. So here you have individual labs of the West, Chen, Park, etc. And you also have student offices as well as shared lab facilities. So these are the offices for the SEEC labs, and this is on the 10th floor.
I got it. One thing with my height.
Yeah, so this is one of the student lounges where we all relax, chill, and eat and drink coffee.
Yeah.
So here we are at the Sky Bridge, which connects the 10th floor of Mud and the Northwest Corner building, which has the Obermeyer lab. And you walk through Sepser, which has a lot of the shared facilities and instruments. So right now we are on the 8th floor of the Northwest Corner building, which houses the Obermeyer lab, and this is the lab's student offices, and the lab's located one floor below. So the Mud building and the Northwest Corner building both have coffee shops, because of course coffee is a must-have. And this coffee shop overlooks the 128th Street and my favorite halal cart. This area is usually crowded pre-COVID, where a lot of the students are sitting on tables and having coffee. And they do actually play good music here. So that's the end of our tour on the Morningside campus. And now,
all right, now you guys can come with me to the medical campus. Hi everyone. So we actually aren't allowed to do any video tours of the inside of the medical campus due to the use of stem cells, animal models, and patient samples in many of the labs. So I'm going to give you a quick tour of the outside of the medical campus. I'm currently standing in Mitchell Square Park, where the bus will drop you off. And directly in front of us, we have the Lasker building, where many of the chemical engineering labs are. To our left, we have the Irving Cancer Research Center. And to our right, we have the New York Presbyterian Hospital. Now I'm going to take you on a tour of the last two buildings you might need to know on the medical campus. These buildings are mainly where our collaborators in the medical school work. They provide us with anything from advice to tissue samples to sterilization equipment. All right, and coming up on our left, this is the Physicians and Surgeons building, and a little bit farther on, coming up is the Black building.